You're going to love these chocolate oatmeal cookies with peanut butter, and they require only 6 ingredients and they're ready in about 15 minutes. Okay, first step, we are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to make a flax egg. So we're going to take ground flax, we're going to take a tablespoon of that, combine it with 3 tablespoons of water, and then we're going to give it a little mix, and you're going to see that the flax egg will form, and that will be our binder. Flax is so good for you. It's much better for you than eggs. Okay, then we are going to take out our quick oats. You could substitute it for oat flour. You could substitute it for rolled oats. They all work. And you're going to use 1.25 cups. Combine that into the mixing bowl. And next, cacao powder. You could substitute it for cocoa powder, but cacao powder is so good for you. It's full of protein and antioxidants and flavonoids. So if you have it, use it. And you're going to use 4 tablespoons of that. Give it all a good mix. And next, the vanilla extract, you are going to use a teaspoon of that, which will give our chocolate oatmeal cookie some warmth. And next, maple syrup. You could use agave, you could use molasses. It would change the flavor a little bit, but it would all be delicious. I happen to love maple syrup. And you're going to use 4 tablespoons of that. Now, by now, your flax egg should have formed into this thick gel like that. You're going to combine that into your cookie batter. And now it should be nicely mixed. And now if you are lazy like me and you don't want to clean a cookie tray, you can line it with some parchment paper. And now we're ready to make our chocolate oatmeal cookie dough balls. You're going to want them to all be about the same size so that they bake evenly. And then you're going to push them down. You could use a spoon, you could use your fingers, and now they are ready to go into the oven. Now, my oven has been very lame lately, so mine took over 10 minutes, but you should definitely check your cookies after around 8 minutes and see if you like how they are doing. You're going to be tempted to eat them right away, but don't. They need to cool. And if they cool on a cooling rack and they cool on the cookie sheet, the bottoms will get nice and crispy. And that is how I like it. So now if you want to up level your chocolate oatmeal cookies, I mean, who doesn't, right? You can add a little bit of peanut butter like so. But if you're a true peanut butter lover like I am, then you're going to want to add probably way more. Probably look more like that. For more healthy, easy, skinny recipes, please subscribe. I'd love to stay connected with you. And for another healthy, easy, skinny cookie recipe, check out this video.